Nah, we'll be fine, man. We'll be fine. Fucking getting in some random ass dude's helicopter.
Oh
Right.
my fucking
dude,
god,
he's
we're
gonna
actually
get out.
going! We're fucking...
Yo!
Dude, he's gonna kill us.
I think he's bluffing, man. I think he's like, oh, we're about to take off. Like, oh no. Boost.
He did, he died!
No, dude. He landed in the safe zone. He's smarter than us. He landed in the safe zone.
Oh my fucking god!
No, we're retarded.
We're dead as fuck. We're so dead!
Hey, man, let us out. Wait, we can jump.
Jump.
We're gonna fucking.
Please be alive, please be alive. Okay, I'm chilling.
Oh my god, Ethan.
Where
Holy
the fuck
shit.
are you?
I'm right here, man. Holy
Wait,
shit.
is he still hovering? Oh, we went back. Oh my fucking god.
Dude.
I like panicked, man.